model is of the ventricles in the brain. The ventricles in the brain are actually spaces, and cerebrospinal fluid runs through those spaces. So what this model is actually representing is negative space. So what those spaces would look like if you filled them up entirely. We start here with our lateral ventricles. So notice they are quite large. They're kind of deceptively large. So that's the lateral ventricle. Cerebrospinal fluid that starts here is going to go down into the third ventricle, which is right here. And then you get a little hole here. We've got an orange string running through it. That hole is representing a structure that runs through this ventricle, and that is the interthalamic adhesion. Now, once we leave our third ventricle, I'm gonna scoot this around here, our cerebrospinal fluid is gonna move through a structure called the cerebral aqueduct. So that's right here. And then you get to our final ventricle, which is called the fourth ventricle down here. Now, one more thing that I wanted to point out on this model are these pink structures. Those are actually representing a choroid plexus in every one of these ventricles. So every ventricle has one. Not all of our models show it in every ventricle. So there they are in the third. There they are in the fourth. And they're hiding a bit in the lateral ventricles, but there's one there. So that is our ventricle.